Hi, my name is Nicole Hale, District Recreation Supervisor with the City of Winston-Salem Recreation and Parks Department. In this video, we will show you how to register your child for summer camp this year. Summer camp registration for all recreation centers are 100% online. Let's get started. First, let's go to the City of Winston-Salem Recreation and Parks website. In the address bar, simply type weplay.ws and then click Enter. From here, you will click on the online store indicated by a credit card with a circle around it. Online picnic shelter reservations will automatically come up. Simply just click the Register for Program or Activity tab. Then click on the Summer Camp tab. From here, you can choose which summer camp program you would like your child to attend. Let's use Haynes Hosiery for an example. Simply click on the blue plus icon next to Haynes Hosiery. Click the week or weeks you wish to enroll your child by clicking the blue box on the right. It will ask you to create an account to log in or use one of the associated platforms to log in. Once your account has been created, it will ask you to select participants to register. Simply click Add Another Person. Then add the first name, last name, date of birth, and be sure to select the child option. After your child has been added, it will take you back to the Select Participant page. Simply select your child's name. You will know your child has been added when the green check mark appears next to their name. Next, click Checkout in the bottom right-hand corner. This page will show you your order and the total cost. Again, click Checkout in the bottom right-hand corner. Next, it will ask you for your information. This information must be of the parent as well as the child. When all information has been entered, select the Continue My Purchase in the bottom right-hand corner. Simply enter your credit, debit card information, agree to the terms and conditions, and then select Make Payment. Congratulations, your child has been registered for summer camp. If you have any questions regarding registration, please contact WePlayEvents at cityofws.org or call 336-734-1211. Thank you for registering your child for summer camp, and we hope you have fun this year.